And we've climbed about 2,000 feet in no time. Huffing and puffing. Like it's leveling out a little bit. There were some pretty intense switchbacks back there. Get my heart rate back down. Following Kale on a beta. I'm going to say it on record. The tires that come on the beta stock, that Michelin Enduro, it's literally the worst rear tire I've had on any dirt bike, and Kale's been dealing with that. Up this loose switchback trail, I feel bad for him. He's on a beta 200RR. It's not a great switchback bike because it doesn't turn tight. It's not as big of an issue going uphill. And I didn't film the nastiest parts. I just filmed this last part here, but like that. Some of that is clutch control, but that tire gets no grip. I don't know how many pounds of pressure it's got in it. It might be running like 15 in order to not get a flat. But that tire at 15 PSI on this trail was like an ice skate. Not fun. I'm running the IRC JX8 Dakota. It's been good. This trail's really loose. I'm not sure it digs as well as maybe the VE33S or the IRC M5B on a trail like this, because it's shorter knobs. It's kind of like the FIM style knobs that are shorter. Super gummy though, but sometimes you just need to dig. Don't dig it out. There we go, that's a much better start. That was better. Some of the other ones. he'll get that down better as he gets older. He's from what I've heard, phenomenal motocross rider, super fast. I don't know that he's got as much switchback experience. He's doing great though. I think he's 18. Stud kid.